All right, it's time to give you a walk around of our new Bronco. This is a 1978 full-time four-wheel drive. I'm gonna change that because when we do the coyote swap in our other Bronco, I'll have a 205 transfer case that we can throw into this and throw in some hubs, because full-time four-wheel drive in these old things is terrible. Got a little bit of rust. I'll show you that a little closer. It has the bench seat up front, which is kind of rare and kind of cool. I just picked these up today. They're 15 by 10s. That's what's gonna go in there. So we'll have a 33-inch tire and a 2-inch lift on this when it's all said and done, driving down the road. You notice the heater box, this is not an AC compatible box. It's got an AC dash, but it doesn't have the AC on your HVAC controls. So according to the previous owner, this is a low mile 400. We did get it fired up by pouring some fuel down the carb, but obviously runs pretty rough. It's been sitting for about 30 years. So that's one thing we're gonna have to address. Definitely need to hit up Auto Metal Direct about a new grill for this thing and some repair panels. Overall, pretty solid. Does have typical rust in the corners here where the dirt gathers down in there that nobody ever cleaned. Tailgate is relatively straight. Does have a little rust there that's repairable. And we've got the factory spare tire carrier inside, which I think is better than the one that hangs off the ass end. Here's where the major cancer is, also repairable, and a little bit right there. Other than that, it's a pretty solid rig. So I've been talking with the previous owner. He's actually coming by today with his dad, who bought this brand new. Dad doesn't know what's here, but it sounds like they want me to build it for them. Now, there is no stipulation on, you know, we want it built this certain way. He's like, do what you do, just give me first right of refusal when you're done, which I'm kind of excited about because I love doing stuff like this and building this for someone else. There's gonna be probably some things I'm a little bit tighter on as far as quality and control, rather than if I'm just getting on the road and driving it for myself. So it's gonna be fun to get this one going.